Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you get news about crypto into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get news, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first. Then tap to this little icon into the top left corner. From there, you will get to see a bunch of options again. You just simply have to select this square option right here. Tap into that, and after selecting square, you will get to see this little news option into the middle top. Just simply tap to that option, and then you can get latest news about crypto and Bitcoin and many more things related to crypto. This way, you can easily get all of the news about crypto and Binance into your own Binance application. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.